Hello and welcome to Shopify Express. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get all the updated videos regarding Shopify store development in this playlist. Okay, today we will see how this theme section works in Shopify admin. Okay, when you click on themes, you will have this section, this page in front of you. So from here you can see themes, live theme, your published theme. You can view your store with that published theme from here. You can view the speed score. We will also talk about how to increase the speed of Shopify store in another playlist after this completion of this playlist. And then you can see in the theme library, you can add, you can upload zip file, you can connect from GitHub here. So in the themes, after adding theme, you can also have free themes available. You can explore free themes from here. There are a lot of interesting and beautiful Shopify OS 2.0 new 4 themes are available in Shopify Theme Store. Here you can see that you can just click on it, and from here you can just have it, and then you can click on add to the library, and then it will be added to your theme library in free of cost, and then you can customize it and use it for your store. So this was the section of how themes work. In the next videos we will be looking more deep into this theme section. We will be covering in the next 4 videos how blog post works, how pages works, how navigation works, how preferences work, and then we will be coming back to this theme section and we'll see that how we can view it, rename it, duplicate it, download this theme, how we can add it. And in the edit section we have a lot of videos for you guys to look into the coding side of Shopify theme, like the backend language Liquid that is used by Shopify, and the front-end language HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery, so you can have better idea how to design customly your store. And in the edit languages you have some options available here. So let's connect it with us. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and keep in touch for upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.